Hello, are you planning on changing your old cell phone? Do you want to keep up with the latest technologies? Find out why this product is the best choice for you.
Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone US version 5G Smartphone Pro Grade Camera, 8K Video, 108MP High-Res 512GB, Phantom Black, SMG 998U ZKFXAA. Pro Grade Camera, zoom in close, take photos and videos like a pro, and capture incredible share-ready moments with our easy-to-use, multi-lens camera. Sharp 8K Video, capture your life's best moments in head-turning, super smooth 8K video that gives your movies that cinema-style quality. Multiple ways to record, create share-ready videos and GIFs on the spot with multicam recording and automatic professional-style effects. 100x zoom, get amazing clarity with a dual-lens combo of 3x and 10x optical zoom, or go even further with our revolutionary 100x space zoom. Highest smartphone resolution, crystal clear 108MP allows you to pinch, crop and zoom in on your photos to see tiny, unexpected details, while lightning-fast laser focus keeps your focal point clear. All-day intelligent battery intuitively manages your cell phone's usage to conserve energy, so you can go all day without charging, based on average battery life under typical usage conditions. Power of 5G. Get next-level power for everything you love to do with Galaxy 5G. More sharing, more gaming, more experiences and never miss a beat. Wireless communication technology, cellular. Camera description, front. The Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G does not currently support eSIM in the US.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.